Hi, this is Mr. Leishu, and today I'm going to show you how to complete a PowerPoint presentation. In my classes here, you'll be using PowerPoint presentations very regularly. Oftentimes, you'll use it for homework, for classwork assignments, and supplemental work slash extra credit. A lot of your grades will come from completing a PowerPoint. The problem is sometimes things don't always go so smoothly. Today, we're going to work on fixing two problem areas. One is fitting text into the box, and two is copying and pasting a photo. Here is the template for your homework assignment. So you'll notice that there are text boxes already put in for you, and it's simple. All you need to do is type in the text boxes. Now, one of the downfalls is that sometimes you'll put too many words in the text box. So let's say, for example, that I want to give the definition to monarchy. A monarchy is a system of government often run by one all-powerful king or queen or kingdom. Now the problem is the text box has grown and actually pushed into the next text box, and there are words that are actually missing. So what I'm going to tell you to do is simply highlight the words and come up here to the font section. You'll see there's a number that says 20. If you want, you can lower this number, okay, to like a 14, and it fits perfectly. Or another easier way to do it is simply press the smaller A. If you want to shrink the text, you just press it a couple times until you find it fits perfectly. Whereas the larger arrow, or the larger A, will actually make text bigger. Now, the other challenge will be copying and pasting a photo. This can get quite tricky. So the first thing I would suggest you do is go to Google Chrome, go to Google, and I'm going to look up King Louis of France. He was a monarch. I'll go to Images, and I'll find this photo here. So I'll click on the photo, and I want to see the bigger photo here. So I'm going to right-click on it. I'm going to press Copy Image, and I have it copied. Now I'm going to go back to my PowerPoint. Now the tricky thing is if you press in the box, it becomes really hard to paste. So what I suggest you do is click on the regular PowerPoint at the top corner so that you're not inside a text box. So I clicked on the top corner. I'm going to right-click, and I'm going to press Paste. I'm going to click the first clipboard, and a photo comes up on my screen. Now this photo is far too big, okay? But you notice if you hold your mouse down, you can drag the picture around. We're going to shrink this picture so it fits into this box. The way you shrink a photo always is by grabbing it on the corner. You never grab it from the side or from the top, because then it actually distorts the photo, okay? So instead, you grab it by a corner and you just start pushing in. The photo stays exactly the same. I made it smaller, now I can drag it here. Now it's not going to fit in the box perfectly, which is fine, but I can then, once again, by the corner, make it a little bigger. So that's how you make the font smaller or bigger by using these arrows. And also how you add a photo by copying and pasting, by clicking on the top corner where there is no text box, and then shrinking the photo or enlarging the photo by its sides. Thank you.